Hey man, I was totally wrong, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I told y'all don't worry about grabbing or anything like that. But these Ma Maniere Dust dropped today exclusively on Ma Maniere's website, and these things flew off the shelf. And the resale prices ain't dropping like I thought they would, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated. I didn't drop a video yesterday, you know what I'm saying? I want everybody to enjoy their family, but I did want to say thank you guys so much for all the support you guys have been showing all 2023 with another crazy milestone, 80,000 subscribers on the channel. And I know we're going to continue to grow together, man. So I just want to say thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed your family yesterday, you with your loved ones. Make sure you reach out to them friends and stuff like that. Check up on them during these times because not everybody has family to lean on during these holidays, man. So again, thank you guys. Let's go ahead and jump into the video, bro. We're talking about the Ma Manieres, man. Before we do it, I do want to talk about the Air Jordan 3 Fears that will be dropping tomorrow, bro. We getting the Fear 3 things tomorrow. And after what I seen the Air Jordan 3 off NOIR's do, I think y'all in some good standings as far as copping a pair of Fear 3s for that retail tag. And it seems like lately, bro, you can literally wait on a lot of these releases, which is crazy, bro. Just think about a Fear 3 sitting is just crazy to me because back in the day, bro, I didn't have the opportunity to cop these things. But when these do drop tomorrow, I feel like you will have a fair shot, more than a fair chance of getting these for retail. One of my favorite pickups of the year. Like I said, I think I did my top 10 pickups a little too early. They're still sitting over there. I might have to reevaluate it. Might have to just go live on YouTube just to talk about my solid top 10 because I still been buying sneakers, surprisingly, man. But we have them here. The Air Jordan 3 Fears dropping tomorrow. Go ahead and comment down below if you will be securing a pair where I did a full review and on feet. We did on feet, right? I gotta make sure. I think we did on feet already. If not, I'm tripping, bruh. We gotta do the on feet and we might have to do it tomorrow, bruh. Cause I literally can't remember if I did an on feet of the Fear 3s, but you guys stay tuned for that. And if I did do it, I might just be talking too early. But let me know down below in the comment section, are you snagging the Fear Air Jordan 3s? You guys see it, I already got them, and I had to have them, a must cop in the collection. So go ahead and let me know, let the rest of the fam know if you're gonna be securing a pair. You already know what to do. If you're new here to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boys so they don't miss out on any content that we do drop. We got more early looks, we got more on feet, we got a bunch of content lined up just for you guys, and I hope you guys have been enjoying it. And if you have, man, go ahead and leave a huge like on today's video, man. All right, you guys see it, bro. We have the exclusive Dusk Air Jordan 5s in hand right now. Like I said, these did just drop over on Ma Maniere's website. And like I said in the intro, bro, I did not know these were just Ma Maniere exclusive. And that kind of made this pair a little bit more sought after because they're not going to be dropping on sneakers. They're going to be dropping on Nike. None of that other stuff exclusively on Ma Maniere's site, man. But you guys see the box, bro. I did a full review and on feed of these. So I'm going to put a little bit of the B-roll and on feed shots in this video. But you guys will see something like this when you do receive your pair from Ma Maniere. They did a raffle on these things. They did an official drop today. Black Friday, perfect timing. And yeah, here we have it, bro. The craftsmanship, all that good stuff is immaculate. Ma Maniere on the inside of the box. And you did get some extra laces. Of course, you got the lace lock pacifiers, all that good stuff. You got the whole nine with these Ma Maniere Dusk Air Jordan 5s. I'm just super interested to see what the Dawn pair is looking like, the all-white pair, because a lot of people saying that they like the white pair more than the black pair. But I say it right now, man, I'm liking the black pair more. But I got to see them white things in hand because I did hit on a raffle for the Dawn Air Jordan 5 Ma Maniere. But bam, man, check these beauties out, man. One of my favorite pickups of the year. I had to get these things early, for one of two reasons, bro. One, I just wanted them, of course. And then two, this is a Ma Maniere that I've been looking forward to all year. And I didn't want to wait and try to hit on Ma Maniere's website and end up taking the L. You guys know how it is as far as manly copping sneakers online. It's kind of tough. I got these for a decent price early, so you know what I'm saying, to have these things in hand today is super dope. But I know it's a lot of people that enter today over Ma Maniere, so go ahead and let me know if you hit on the raffle or if you hit on today's drop, man. You got the Ma Maniere logo at the bottom. You got this nice age look all the way around the sneaker. I think they executed this one very well, if I must say. Something that's super dope about these, bruh, is you got the nice Ma Maniere on the tongue, and then on the back of the tongue you even got Ma Maniere right here. Check that out real quick. And on the other one you actually have Michael Jordan's signature, bro. Look at that. You got all types of crazy details, crazy hits on these things right here. And I just feel like, you know what I'm saying, Ma Maniere is moving in the right direction. I don't know what's going on with the owner or nothing like that. But as far as the sneakers, as far as the apparel, all that stuff is pretty dope. I know a huge talk is, you know what I'm saying, the Nike Air getting placed on the wrong sneakers. And they definitely hit us with the Nike Air on the back of these right here. I feel like another reason why people like the white pair more is because you did get the Nike Air to pop out a little bit more vibrant. And then the 2-3 on the side of the sneaker, somebody commented in one of the videos, they said, bro, they should have made the 2-3 a different color. They should have made the Nike Air on the back of the sneaker a different color, just to give that extra pop, that extra, you know what I'm saying, look, the extra feel from this collaboration. But you know what I'm saying, as far as for me, bro, I like how they execute them. Could have did a couple of things different, but I ain't gonna be picky today, bro. I'm gonna be appreciative of this shoe, and I'm gonna stand on my word, bro. The cream laces look the best to me. I think it contrasts well over the all black sneaker. And of course, you got the yellowing on the side Cajun and on the outsole of these guys. So I mentioned the resale a little bit earlier in the video, and they weren't going for like $350, $400 until today, bro. I don't know what happened, but I'm gonna put a little screenshot up here, bro. These Dusk Air Jordan 5s are going for a little penny, bro. Pretty penny, bro. Size 10, size 10.5, going for that $400 price range. And then you see the white pair kind of dropping resale because they're gonna do another huge drop on the Nike sneakers app. But these ain't dropping on Nike sneakers, bro. These are not dropping on Nike sneakers as of yet. They just come out of nowhere and start dropping pairs. Then I think it'll be a small drop. But as far as the majority of the pairs, these drop exclusively on Ma Maniere. Shouts out to the homie, the Retro Wiz Kid, that helped me out find that information. But if they do a little, you know what I'm saying, drop on sneakers, it won't be nearly as much stock as the Dawn Air Jordan 5 Ma Manieres that will be dropping here within the next couple of days, man. I can't believe I got this far in today's video without asking you guys, did you secure a pair of these things? Go ahead and comment it down below. You gotta pay resale. Are you looking out for this pair right here? But this might go down as the best out of the two because, you know, people are persuaded by the resale value, which kind of sucks. But I've been sticking true to my word, bro. I told y'all the black pair is my favorite out of the two, but I did want to give the white pair a chance, get them in hand, and then kind of compare the two and see which one I am actually liking more. But as of right now, we got the black pair in. I done had these things for a little minute now, and I'm definitely rocking out with these things. So yeah, man, go ahead and comment down below again. Let me know if you hit a pair of the Ma Manieres. You got the Ma Maniere on the Air unit. You got the 2-3 on the side, Nike Air in the back. Got the burgundy crush colorway on the shark teeth, bro. Just all over great quality, great craftsmanship. I think they did a hell of a job with this pair right here, man. So let me know if you cop them things. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you guys are enjoying Black Friday. Let me know what you copping down below, and make sure you guys go check out OutRank Brand. I got an OutRank Brand tee on right now, but they have an exclusive 35% off discount code using the vintage. You can go look at anything on their site. You can get anything for 35% off today, and I think it ends on Cyber Monday. So go ahead and check them out. Go get you a couple things or two. You will not regret it, and you're getting it for a steal price of 35% off, man. So subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell if you haven't already. Leave a huge like on today's video, man. And all that's been said, bro, your boy The Vintage is gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.